Hello, welcome to my podcast on the future of education in Pakistan. My name is Heather Campbell. I have lots of information to cover and I hope you find it informative. Today, I will be discussing the future of education for women in Pakistan and the many changes to education for women in the country. In North America today, education is available to the vast majority of citizens. There are laws that ensure that younger children receive education, and there have been many campaigns to encourage older youth to stay in school. The following is a commercial that examples one of these campaigns.
If you wanna be cool, then hear what I say. You gotta go to school every school day. 'Cause if you want a good job, there's a very simple way. You gotta get an education, gotta go to school. You gotta get it all together if you wanna make it pay. You gotta stay in school till graduation day. So be cool, stay in school. Be cool, stay in school. If you wanna be cool, stay in school.
That commercial is a prime example of a stay in school commercial. The slogan, "Be cool, stay in school," encourages students that it is cool to remain in school so that you can get a good job and be successful. For many North Americans, it is easy to take advantage of the many options for education. No matter a person's race, gender, religion, or culture, education is offered. But not all countries have the same attitude towards education. In some places, education is only offered to people of a certain race, gender, religion, or culture. In these places, it is a battle to fight for education equality. In Pakistan, girls have a harder time finding education opportunities. Education is offered to boys, while girls are either forced to remain at home or they are forced to attend school secretly. The female illiterate rate is significantly high in Pakistan. Yet, there are people that fight for education to be given to every child. Here's an audio clip of Malala Yousafzai at the Nobel Peace Prize concert in 2015.
I simply ask that the right to learning should be given to every child. I ask for nothing else.
Malala Yousafzai is a Pakistani activist that speaks out against selective education and is fighting for the right for all children to have an education. Her own school was closed down for a time while the Pakistani Taliban was in control of the government. Many schools were bombed and all schools for girls were closed down. Every other schools were reopened. Many schools were bombed and all schools for girls were closed, even after the schools were reopened. Malala was shot in the head by the Taliban. Yet, she speaks up for the right for all children to be educated. Malala recognized the importance to education equality. There are economic benefits to promoting education equality in Pakistan. Madiha Gahor Qureshi wrote a paper on the education in Pakistan titled "The Gender Differences in School Enrollment and Returns to Education in Pakistan." She discusses the economic benefits to Pakistan if there were policy changes in Pakistan to encourage for female enrollment in school. She states, reducing gender disparities in education by increasing female education will at once level many results in increasing the pool of tax-paying workers from a bigger female labor force. By increasing the female enrollment in schools, Pakistan will increase the female workforce, which will increase the amount of income tax that is collected, which will help fund government programs and increase government resources. Limiting female education is limiting the Pakistani economy. Looking beyond the economic benefits, there is a moral connotation towards educational equality. Malala states perfectly in her Nobel Peace Concert speech in 2015, the right to learning should be given to any child. Malala is fighting for this right for all children in Pakistan, and if more will fight that same fight, the future of education will become brighter for the children of Pakistan, especially the women. Thank you for listening. I would like to close with a clip of Malala speaking for education. Thank you and have a great night.
So this is a big opportunity for us to speak to the world. The children are facing many problems and many issues, and now it is time to think about the future generation. It is our duty. And I'm hopeful that change will come. One day we will see every child getting quality education, but for that we need to work together. We need to make it our target. We need to make it our objective of life. And that's what I have done. Though I'm 17, not very tall, and very small, I have promised myself that I will fight for the rights of children.
Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.